Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram video story on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the page, and in the animated design section you can find the third option, the Instagram video story. And new, you can select different templates and just select one and click that, and oh, that's a premium. Just select one and click that and click to the use this template button. New, you can edit this template. If you want to add the picture, just click to the photos button at the lower left corner of the screen. In the premium section, in the add photo section, you can search different photos on the VistaCreate application, or go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images from your device. In the text button, you can add text, and if you want to change the text of the video story, just click to the text box, delete the text and write new. You can edit this text. If you want to change the color of the text, just click to the color button at the lower right corner of the screen and you can change the color. If you go to the font button, you can add another font type, and if you go to the style button, you can edit the font size and you can edit different adjustments. In the object section, you can find different objects, and if you want to add one to your story, just click that and you can move and you can edit the size. In the animation section, you can find different animations, and if you want to change video, just click to the video button and you can find different videos, or the uploads button, you can upload videos from your device. In the music section, you can find different music, and just select one and click that and click to the plus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.